For this project, you're going to need a plate, some washable markers, some coffee filters, a spray bottle of water, and some scissors. To begin, we need to grab a coffee filter. Make sure it's not stuck to any other filters. And smooth it out on your plate. Now we get to color. Take your markers and color whatever colors you want. I would think about what colors look best together. Maybe all cool colors or all warm colors. They can be in whatever pattern you want. Next, you're going to spray it down with the water. Once it's dry, you should get something that looks like this. Take your dry coffee filter and fold it in half. Turn it and fold it in half again. You're going to fold it in half a total of 4 times. It should look like this. Next, you're going to take your scissors and just at the top, you're going to cut a curved line. Now take your coffee filter and smooth it out. Pinch the bottom. Now, cupping your hands, sort of squish the petals of your flower together, but be gentle. Now, taking the bottom of your flower, pinch and twist just a little bit. Now you should be able to take your other hand and fluff out your flower till it's nice and full. And there you go, a beautiful bouquet. If you have pipe cleaners, you can always twist those onto the bottom so you can stick it in a vase. But for now, this is all I have, and this will work just as fine. I hope you enjoyed making coffee filter flowers with me today, and I'll see you next time.